In this video, I'll guide you through how to connect Notion to Google Calendar. By the end, you'll have your Google Calendar visible right inside a Notion page so you can see your events without switching between apps. We'll use Google Calendar's embed feature and Notion's embed block. Follow along step by step and feel free to pause as you go. First, head over to Google Calendar in your browser. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account, the one that has the calendar you want to connect. It helps to do this on a desktop browser because some of the options we need are easier to find there than on mobile. On the left side of the Google Calendar screen, look for the section labeled My Calendars. This is where all of your personal calendars are listed, like your main calendar, work calendar, or any custom calendars you've created. If you don't immediately see them, hover your mouse over that area or click the small arrow to expand the list. Find the specific calendar you want to display in Notion, hover over its name, and you'll see 3 vertical dots appear to the right. Click those 3 dots to open a small menu of options for that calendar. This menu controls settings and sharing for that one calendar, and it's where we'll grab the details we need. From that menu, click on the option called Settings and Sharing or Integrate Calendar, depending on what you see. If you clicked Settings and Sharing, you'll be taken to a page with different sections on the left. In that list, look for the Integrate Calendar section and click it. This is where Google gives you links and code snippets you can use to display your calendar elsewhere. On the Integrate Calendar page, look for the Embed Code box. It will look like a chunk of HTML code starting with something like iframe. You don't need to understand the code itself, we just need to copy it. Carefully select all of that embed code and copy it to your clipboard. You can use your browser's copy command or right-click and choose copy. Now, open a new tab in your browser and go to notion.com. Open the workspace and page where you'd like your Google Calendar to appear. You can create a new page just for your calendar or embed it in an existing dashboard, planning page, or any place where it makes sense in your workflow. Click into the page where you want the calendar to go so your text cursor is active. Type Add Embed and wait for Notion's command menu to pop up. From the options that appear, click on Embed. This tells Notion that you're about to add content from another site. A small window will appear asking for a link or embed. Click into the field there and paste the Google Calendar embed code you copied earlier. Make sure the entire code is pasted in. You don't need to edit anything inside it. Once the code is pasted, click the button labeled Embed Link. Notion will process the code and then display your Google Calendar directly inside the page. You can drag the edges of the block to resize it and make it fit your layout. At this point, your Notion page is connected to that Google Calendar, and any updates you make to the calendar in Google will be reflected in the embedded view.